Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
I am a basement, an underground sanctuary that transforms scorching summers into refreshing and pleasant days. The world is brimming with basements, ranging from small to large, old to new, but I stand unique among them all. Many years ago, during sweltering summer days, a man sought refuge in my depths, a man whose name was Imam Mahdi. He entered quietly and seated himself in my cool embrace. Every day, he immersed himself in worship and recited the Quran, and gradually my ears became intimately acquainted with the beauty of his voice. I cherished every note, and my eyes welled with tears of joy. Have you ever witnessed a basement shedding tears of happiness? When elated, basements weep and become cooler than ever. This man visited me each day, and with each passing day, I grew cooler. Every day, my atmosphere became more soothing, until one day, he didn't return. I pondered whether the weather wasn't warm enough to entice him into seeking my coolness. I waited, but he never came back. The man who was Imam Mahdi and my daily companion had ceased his visits. Time elapsed, and another man arrived, a man as grand as the first, with a voice that was music to the ears, a man whose worship was a thing of beauty, whose very footsteps carried a melody. His name was Imam Hassan Askari. When he sought refuge in my cool sanctuary, I swelled with pride. Could a basement's laughter be heard? When basements laugh, their coolness multiplies. However, my joy was short-lived. Imam Hassan Askari did not return, and sorrow settled in once more. Have you ever witnessed a basement yearning? Basements warm up when they long for someone. Not that they are cold and in need of coolness, as they are cooler than anywhere else in the summer. Then, a child of 5 graced my presence, a boy with black, wavy hair, none other than Imam Mehdi. He would come and pray, immediately followed by reciting the Quran. The echoes of his Quranic verses made my walls tremble. For a few days, I reveled in happiness. I was cooler, more tender. Yet, one day, he left and never returned. But people, every day, come searching, believing he is within me. If basements could speak, I would convey that the very person they seek, Imam Mahdi, indeed graced me with his presence. He would come, worship, and then depart. Yet, when he left, he always took my heart with him.